Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Hope you know me, right? And then right. We had a previous class Wednesday, right? On electronic spreadsheet, right? Right. I have sent a pre-activity last night, right? Most of you have done that, right? Thank you for that, right? Some of you not completed that task, right? No problem, we will learn that also in today's class, right? This one is a task where some of you have done in last night. Some of you have 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. It is all about the task that we have learned in the previous class, right? In the கடைசி கிளாஸ்ல நாம என்ன படிச்சோமோ அதை டெஸ்ட் பண்ற மாதிரி இதா இருந்துச்சு அப்படிதானே? Right. Can you recognize this? Those who did this. யாரும் செஞ்சது ஞாபகம் இருக்காது. Right. Okay. Good. Right. These all other this part 2. Right. Part 2 of the pre-task. Right. Let's start our lesson today. Right. Right. Before that, we will know your mood. How are you feel today? Right. As usual, let's start from this person, right? Right. Okay. This scar shows high energy. You are feeling high energy, but unpleasant. Unpleasant means what? You are not happy, right? This means high energy, pleasant. You ate something with சக்தியோட கூடுதலா இருக்கீங்க, அதே மாதிரி என்ன செய்றீங்க, சந்தோஷமாவும் இருக்கீங்க, right? But here the low energy but pleasant. Low energy but present, we can manage our class. Right, okay, choose one of the grids. High energy, yellow one. Right, good. Huh? Yellow one. Yellow. Green. Why? You didn't eat for the interval. Huh? Stop. Then why? Why low energy? Little bit, right, after this class you will feel better. Right? Okay. Huh? Yellow one. Yellow one. Green. Why? You feel little bit low energy. Can I buy a soft drink for you? Right, okay. Huh? Yellow. Right, okay, good. Most of you are happy and present in mood, and some of you have with low energy. You will make it happy after this class, right? Okay. Let's move to the step 1, right? In this step 1, we are going to study about in the previous class we have learned about what electronic spreadsheet. In that we are using some purposes for calculating. What else we use spreadsheet? Bookkeeping. What's that? Media purpose. Storing data. Right. Storing data, accounting purpose. These all we have electronic spreadsheets, right? In the previous class, we introduced the interface of the Excel, right? We learned about some tools there, right? Right. Today we are going to learn about the tools. In that class, we learned there are tools to do some works. In this class, we are going to learn about tools. What to do with the tools, right? Right. Before that, we will start from the activity. Right? We will start from the activity. I have pasted the poster there. In that, the actual poster is looks like this. In that, you notice here in the A2 column, there is a word, right? Next to that, in the B2 column, in another word. What is the difference between these two?
B2 is
underlined. In the B2, the word is underlined. So, like this, there are a lot of tasks are there. One by one, you can paste the word different. What do you find the difference in that poster, right? You can paste the suitable different. You have to select from this and you have to paste there, right? I will distribute one by one, right? Okay. in between you. Some of you will not receive something, will not receive the different, but some of you will receive tools. சில ஆட்களுக்கு டூல்ஸ் வரும், சில ஆட்களுக்கு என்ன வரும், என்ன டிஃப்ரெண்ட் இருக்குன்னு சொல்றது வரும். சில ஆட்களுக்கு டூல்ஸ் வரும், சில ஆட்களுக்கு என்ன டிஃப்ரெண்ட் இருக்குன்னு வரும். நீங்க அதை என்ன செய்யணும், suitable ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணி அதெல்லாம் பேஸ் பண்ணணும். You have come on the board, in the table, front desk you have gum, right? You can use that. Right, I will give another one for you. Right, you go and find the suitable thing and paste there. Right, மூன்று பேரா போகலாம், மூன்று பேரா போகலாம், போய் என்ன செய்யுங்கன்னு சொன்னா அதில் கண்டுபிடிங்க என்ன உங்களோட கையில் தந்திருக்கிறதுக்கு என்ன டிஃபரன்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு கண்டுபிடிங்க. Find the suitable tool and the suitable work there. After we will discuss the tools. Right, you can face this. அதுக்கு மேல ஓடு. இதை ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணுங்க. இத ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Right, now when you go in the circle of the man, put your phone, then upload the document. Right. Let's go. We can type. Hurry up. Small, light up and paste lightly and paste there. Full out and full, small, sticking out of tone. Also, what to put? Same time you can paste there. About lights up na both. Masa mereka nak buat, mele okay. Go on sit. Okay. அது tools. அது வேலை, இது tool. That is, there are two items, right? Tools also they are with you, and what is the difference is you have to identify the different and you have to find the suitable. You have to paste the suitable different there. Let's go on see. The other three quick. Before finding, apply use before finding the tools, you can discuss with the others. If you don't know the tools exactly, you can discuss with the colleagues. Don't fight. Other three come. Don't fight. Right? You know basic. You go. Who's this one? I go. Before pasting, you have to remember what you have pasted, right? You have to remember what you have pasted. I will ask. You want to change? No problem. Because you have pasted, no? We will change it in discussion, right? Quick. Border. Right, okay. Right, okay. Go on. Other three come. Wait and come. After finishing this paper, you can come. Okay. Don't hear the papers. Don't hear the papers. If you made mistake, no problem. We will discuss after the activity, right? Italic is yeah. He has made mistake. You can paste here. Which one? Italic. Yeah, same one. Please, above that. Other three, ready? Come. Leave the place for others. If you have done, leave the place for others. If you have done, if you have completed, leave the place for others. Those who completed can sit on the seats. Underline, some of them hide them. Okay, keep it with you. We will discuss. Right? So others, keep it with you. We will discuss. I hope you all three are all together. Those three printed is one at once. Right? You may straight away, you want to find them. What's this? Okay, good. Shall we clap for that? Right. Now you have to come front and discuss if there are any mistakes are there. Right? முன்னுக்கு வந்து என்ன செய்யுங்க இதை பார்த்துட்டு ஏதாவது மிஸ்டேக் இருக்கான்னு பார்த்து அது சரி செய்யறதுனா காட்டி விட்டு இல்லை நீங்க உங்களுக்குள்ள டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிக்கொள்ளுங்க சரியா ரைட் யூ ஃபைவ் கேன் கம் அண்ட் டிஸ்கஸ் போய் ஏதாவது பிள்ளை இருந்தாலும் உங்களுக்குன்னா உங்களுக்கு டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணி இதுக்குள்ள அதுக்கு எது வச்சுக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி இருக்கீங்க யூ கேன் டிஸ்கஸ் Other five can identify this, or you can observe this and make sure you have correctly pasted on the poster. Right? Get ready for the discussion. Right. Assignments. And you can go and sit and others can come. You will have 1 minute. Like previously. You will have 1 minute, right? If you need any help from me, you can call me. Like you are going to be answered to me, so that's why we have to discuss. Don't fight. Bring on, don't hear. The page will not above that. Right, Sam. So you finished your discussion? Right, okay, you can sit on your place. Right, we will discuss here. Right. Can you all observe this all? Right. I will ask one by one and you can answer. Or one of you can raise your hand and you can answer. Right? If you are familiar with, if you are sure about your answer, you can answer to me after raising your hand. Do you understand what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
கையை உயர்த்துங்க, அதாவது பிள்ளைகள் இந்த விஷயம் தெரிஞ்சிருந்தால் நீங்க கையை உயர்த்துங்க சொல்லுங்க. Right? Only one person can get chance at once. ஒரு ஆளுக்கு ஒரு சரம் தான். சரியா? chance. அடுத்த சுத்தி தான் சரி. So all of you have to participate. All of you have to participate. Right. Let's start from one. First one. What about this one? Underline. Right. The word is underline. Right. Have you identified the tools we have? Right. Press it there. Right. We will show you. Then here. Italy. Then bold word. You bold. Right. Others. Border. Border one. Then they have made a border to OCCS. Right. Right. So this one. Color has changed. Right. Here. Size has increased. Right. Or decreased. Increased. Right. Okay. This one here. Highlight or background change. Right. Very good. If it is in the word software, word processing software, it is called highlight. If it is in the Excel software, we call it as change of the background color. Right? Okay. Are you clear about it? Right. Are you agree with me? Right. Okay. Good. So you move to this. Font change. Right. Font change. The font of both has different. Right. Both of the fonts are different. Right. Yes. I have pasted the tools here also. Right. We have identified the tools already. Right. Okay. Let's go to the right. Before that, this tool can be called. We have to provide a one name for that. In the previous class also we have introduced that name. What is the name for the box with this kind of tools? Right, okay. You know, all are called toolbox, but we have to give the specific name for that. Huh? Right, very good. Text formatting tools. So all together, the tools we have used to modify this code as text formatting tools. The tools collectively called as text formatting tools. Right, let's move to the other section. In the other section, here in the A2 column arranged in left, right? But what about B2? One of you can answer. What about B2? Can you find any difference from this? Different than A2? A2, B2, different than no different, right? Huh? Right, both are no different. There is no different, right? Both are same. Both are arranged left side. It is not right side. It is left side, right? Both are arranged left side. But this one, it is middle of the what? Cell. It is in the middle of the cell. What about this one? Right aligned, right? So the tools you can identify here, right? Right. What about this one? Second one. in this, this is vertically changed. This is horizontally changed. Right. Okay. What about this one? Bottom. This one? Top. This one? Center. What about this one? Bottom. These two are same, right? Right. Okay. Good. You can recognize the tools that we can use to modify like this, right? How do you know all these tools? From the activity or you have learned previously? Previous class, right? Okay. Okay. Have you learned anything from this activity? What do you have learned? Which tools can be used to which format? What the type of the formatting? In the type formatting, in the tool use learn. You can practice later on the class, right? Practice right? Okay. Here, one more thing, right? Collectively, these tools, what? How do we compose? Provide a name for that. Alignment and positioning tools. We are arranging the letters. We are positioning the letters. In the top, in the bottom, in the middle, right? Like that, we are arranging the letters or positioning the letters. There are some more tools under alignment and positioning tools. There are some more tools. We will learn about that also. Right. Here, you can notice here. What is the difference you have noticed? Is there any difference? The above line and bottom line. Top line and bottom line. Notice these two lines, B2 line and B2 row and B3 row. B2 row and B3 row. The cells, how many cells in between these? 4 cells are there. In the B, only single, only one cell are there. Right? Only one cell is there. Right? So different is these all 4 cells are merged. What we have done? Merge. So tool is used to. Tool can be used. This tool, merge and center. The tools we can use. Merge and I hope you have made mistake there, right? In that. That's why. Okay. What about this one? This tool. Right, this is vertical and another one is called horizontal, right? Right, because the direction of the letter has changed, right? So, what is the tool we can use to do that? What is the tool? Which tool? In this toolbox, can you identify? First one, very first one, that is with the arrow mark, right? The icon has arrow mark, right? Okay. Right. What about this one? Is there any changes? Can you identify the changes? But you shall we ask him, right? Because he is putting on his hand on the cheek and feel tired, right? But he said he is pleasant with high energy. So you have to get up and say, huh? We have made here the sentences in one line. Here, but what about the cell size? Both are same, right? Here we cannot read all the words. We cannot read all the words. But in that B2 column, we can read all the words. சில டைம்ல நாம எழுதிட்டு போகுற லென்த் மேபி இன் பிக் லென்த் எப்படி இருக்கலாம் பெருசா இருக்கலாம் அந்த டைம்ல நம்ம செல்ஸ்க்குள்ள அடக்கணும் அந்த டைம்ல நாம என்ன பயன்படுத்தலாம் we can do like this. What is the tool we can wrap text? Very good, right? All of you have made mistakes there. Now we have corrected those things, right? Okay, good. Right, this is all about the alignment and positioning tools and text formatting tools. I will distribute some activity sheet as well we did in the previous class, right? Now also we are going to complete this. Take the activity sheet 2. Activity sheet 1 you have already done, right? Take the activity sheet 2. Activity sheet 2, right? So you can name that, you can label the tools, right? You can label the tools in the task 1. And there are some sentences with the missing words, right? You can complete that also, right? Okay, complete. I will give 2 minutes to complete that. I will give only 2 minutes to complete that. என்ன சொல்றேன்னா இதுல கொண்ட பேர் என்ன டூல் சரி பேர் எழுதணும். பேர் ஒட்டிட்டா நம்ம அதை நாம எழுதுங்க அல்லது ரிலேட்டட் நேம் கிட்டத்தட்ட அதை நேம் கொடுத்தா சரி சரியான கொடுத்துட்டு கீழே some spaces are there, right? இடைவெளி இருக்கும் சென்டென்ஸ் அந்த சென்டென்ஸ் நீங்க கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணுங்க அவசரம்
What is the meaning of slanted?
Slanted, right? Very good. What is the meaning of slanted? I have sent that word also in the pre-activity also. I hope you didn't notice that, right? Slanted means. சரிந்திருக்கிறது, கிழிஞ்சிருக்கிறது சொல்றது. அப்ப that is, what is the word related to that? What is the tool related to that? Italic. Okay, good. Complete that quickly. And complete the task 2 also, right? I will give another 1 minute. So altogether 3 minutes to complete. உள்ளாதி ஸ்லாண்ட் தக்கலிஞ்சிருக்கிறது அது சாஞ்சிருக்கிறது. If you need any help, if you are struggling with any words, you can call me. I will help you, right? Or otherwise, you can ask your friend. Yeah, you want to complete like that. Yes. Who is calling me? Arun. It is same, leave it. Those who are same, right? Right, okay. Question 1 and 3 are same, right? If it is same, leave it, or otherwise you can access the answer. Right, okay. Shall we move to the step 2? Right. Can anyone tell me what you have learned from this up to this? இதுவரைக்கும் நீங்க என்ன படிச்சிருக்கீங்க? இப்போ வரைக்கும் என்ன கற்றுக்கொண்டீங்க? யாராச்சும் சொல்லுங்க. நம்ம ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் tell me. What you have learned? What you have learned today's class from today's class? Up to now. We can.
How to make letter with silent.
Yes, power cells complex. Mopali. Right. That is power failure. Right. Okay. How to make the letters? How to make the letters colors? Right. How to make the letters? Style. Style. How to present the letters? Stylish. Right. Right. Okay. Shall we move to the next one? The next one we are going to move to the step 2. the step 2 we have to study about the data, right? You all know we are using numbers, mostly numbers in the Excel sheet, right? Mostly working with the numbers. Numbers எல்லாம் நாம என்ன செய்யற கூடுதலா work பண்றோம். In sometimes we are using letters. Letters நாம என்ன செய்யறோம்? அதே மாதிரி letters யூஸ் பண்றோம். What about letters and numbers? Both are different type of data, है? Different type of data தான் இரண்டும். Numbers, data. Numbers வச்சு using the numbers we can make different kind of data. Numbers வச்சு நாம என்ன செய்யலாம்? Different kind of data என்ன செய்யலாம்? உருவாக்கலாம். We can make the different kind of data using numbers. Right? Can you tell me what are the numbers? What are the kind of data we can create using numbers? Can you tell me? Numbers வச்சு நாம என்னென்ன data யூஸ் பண்ணலாம்? இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கா கொஞ்சம் currency, right? Very good. Currency, என்ன? காசு 10 ரூபாய் 20 ரூபாய் 30 ரூபாய் 40 ரூபாய் சரி என்ன செய்யலாம்? உருவாக்கலாம். Right? Different country has different currencies, right? Then time also different one, right? But it is used numbers. It has numbers in the format of time, right? Format time let us say the number. What else? You say one. Shall we come after the activity? Right, shall we move to the activity? Right. Here I have shown something to you. Here I have shown. Okay. Here I have provided some boxes here, right? And the data types also there, right? Some data types, but all data types are different, right? You can make it all. You have to sort them with the same type of data. If the same type ஆகிட்டோ அதெல்லாம் செய்யணும். ஒரு boxல வைக்கணும். For example, if I bring it this one. I can click on this, I can bring it like this. Right? Now you are going to do that yourself. Right? One by one people. Right, okay. Right. Shall we start from which one? Who is going to be first? Right. We will start from him, right? Only you are asleep. Right, okay. Go on, keep it. Right, good. And other next one. All of you have a chance to do that. Right, quickly. நீங்க first இத ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா தெரியும் நமக்காக பின்னிதாக பாருங்க. Right. Okay. It's coming. Bring it. அது சும்மா வந்து போனீங்கன்னா தெரியும். கொண்டு போக முடியாது அது. அது கருப்பா வந்தா தெரியாது போய். Can I help you? Right. You are going to bring it. Yeah. Yes. Right. It's easy when it comes. We are using mouses. Let us try this. We can. Next one, quick. The problem is with the touching, right? Well, click on that. Then bring it. Keep it. I will make. Okay, good. Don't sit. Can you tell me like you yeah, you want in this column, then you play. I will help you. Like, okay. Others, those who did not, you have done already, right? No, okay. Which one you are going to bring? Like, in this format? Here? Same one? Different one? Right, here, I will see. Can I write it down? Number 10. With the 100. Right, okay. And you all can say, I will do that, right? Okay. After this class, you can try, right? Now, you say that. Which one? Huh? Blue color one. Two? Yeah. Huh? This one. Here. Come on, let's. Good. Okay, no problem. Leave. Right, okay. We will do like this, right? We will do like this, right? Right. We will make it new. The rupees 10 will be, yeah, which column, which box? Dollar sign, right, okay. I will draw here with the blue one, right? I will make it blue. Blue means that dollar is there, right? Okay, right. We will do like that. It's, the wrong is with the types, right? Okay. Then what those who don't say you, right? Okay. 75% will be which new category. New category, right? Okay. I will try this. Otherwise, I will try. I will create new. Here 75 is there, right? Okay. Then 23 also, right? I will make it there. I will make the color there. Right, okay, that color. Then, is there anything? 45 also there, right? I will make that here. Right, okay. Then, who, you, right? Huh? 25 will be where? Here. With the 100, right, okay, good. Then, 10 also, yeah, right, 10 also, the yellow one. I will draw the yellow color one here, right, okay, good. Then, what about you? We have made, we have balanced this one. May I make it a new one, right, new category, right? Okay, I will make it new category. Right, go. This will be the interesting activity. If it is the type has right, okay. Then what else? Is there any other types there? Yellow one. This one, yeah. New category, right? Okay. Why we don't want to put here or there? Are you confident? Right. Okay. No problem. We will make a new one, right? We will make new one. Then, is there any? Huh?
1.67 B plus.
Like this one. Yeah.
You get it.
New category. Okay. 10 o'clock. AM, we have already mentioned it.
5.68.
Green color one. Which one? This one. This one should be where? Huh? New category. No, with the dollar sign. Right. Okay, good. With the dollar sign. Right. Right. Then
5.68.
5.60. You go on to from 5 point. This one. Select that one first. Select first. Then click on the text box and row. Right. Good. This one and these two are the same. Right. Okay. Good. Who is going to be? Is there any missing here? No. We all made all everything. Right. Look at it. Right. Can you check if this all of you have done correctly or not? Right? Is that correct? These things we have done, right? Right. We have made 23, 45, 75 is all together, one category. What is the name for that? We can give percentage. Right? This one is a what? Date, but it is short date. So we have another type of date also. What is that? Long date. Long date has text also. Long date text. In this we have numbers and the symbols. Numbers and the symbols. Right. Okay. Other thing. What about this one? These are rupees. Currency. Right. Currency. But we have made another category also, accounting. For the accounting purpose, we are using currencies, right? So that also currency, right? The data type, these texts are, these data types belongs to two categories. What are they? Currency and accounting. Right. Then time, 1 p.m., 1:30 p.m., 1:10 a.m. like that. Data, those kind of data can be under. Right. Then scientific numbers. Scientific numbers. What do you mean by scientific numbers? Do you know that? Have you studied that? What is that? Scientific numbers. If it is a long number, 1.0, 1, 2, 3, or like that, we can say it is. We have to compress it into small size. Okay, good, very good. Then it is called scientific numbers. Right. Okay, what is fraction? What about fraction? Cubes? Fraction? Fraction and pinna, right? We are dividing 2 by 9. We can call this line 4 by 5, right? Okay. Good. Right. Check your activity sheet. Is there any activity related to this? Yes. Right. Complete that. Don't take much time. Complete it quickly. We have to study another thing also. Yes. In that activity, you have to write an example for that. You have to write at least one example for that. If you are struggling with any examples, you can call me and discuss with me. I will help you to find out the examples. Currency that we have studied. Currency means the sum of the money, right? Money of any country, right? ஏதாவது நாட்டுல என்னது? Have you noticed all the icons belongs to that? Icons are பாத்தீங்களா? அதுல இருக்கிற. Have you noticed the icons? Right. You have to familiar with that icon also when you come into the practicals, right? Practicals செய்து பார்க்கும்போது நீங்க என்ன செய்யணும்? You have to familiar with that icons, right? Right. So why we are studying that data types? Why have we have studied?
I want to do it in Excel.
Right. We have to make it the correct data type in the Excel. Huh? Data. Activity right. Okay. Why we have studied that? Why we have studied that data type? We have to make it the correct. We have to use the correct data type. Right. Okay. We have to make the correct data type. We have to make the set the correct data type in Excel. We are doing any mathematical calculations, right? Calculations we have to set the data types in the Excel. Otherwise, it will make cause wrong. Right. Right. Okay. We will move to the another activity, another section, the step 3. Right? In that, we are going to study about mathematical operations. I hope you all have done in that the previous slide. Right? Okay. Quick previous class or previous activity. Pre-activity, right? Right. Hope you all familiar with that. Right? Quickly finish this. Right? Okay. What is all about this one? Equal. This one? This one? This one? This one? Right. Now you all have the function of that also, right? Right. Okay. Can you identify what is the function? I will show a column. But you have to say what is the function used there. In the function used பண்ணிக்கிட்டு நீங்க என்ன செய்யணும்? சொல்லணும் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு. சரியா? Right. In this addition means from where to where? Subject 1 to subject 5. Subject 1 to subject 5. Right. We are learning about we are learning the Excel, not maths, right? Am I right? So we have to say the column address, right? Cell address. Right? We have to use the cell address. If I am asking where to where, you have to say the cell address, right? Then tell me the cell address. C3 to G3, right? Good, very good. Right. What about the 146 in the total? 146 in the total from where to where? C10 to G10. But there are options also there. Right? There are no numbers. How we can add?
D10 to
Right.
F10.
D10 to F. In that case, that is not a problem. If it is the letters, it will automatically omit that. Right? Excel and say automatically. However, we have to put C8 to CG. G10, right? You have to go. Right. What about the 78.6? 78.6 under average. Huh? Which symbol we can use? Division symbol. Good. Right. What are the cell addresses we can use? For the 78.6, this one. What are the cell addresses we have to use? C5 to C5 to G5. C5 to
C6 to
C6 to
D6.
D6. Do you know how to find the average? Everybody, tell me. No, not like normally. How do we find? Can you repeat? At the whole totals, get the total, divide by the number of subjects, right? Number of subjects, right? So we already got the total here. Then only we have to divide by what? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divide by 5. So we can make it. If you want to find the 78.6, we can divide this column only, right? We don't want to work with these columns, these cells. So we can say H7 divided by 5. Like that you can see. Right? Okay. I will show another activity, another Excel sheet. In this Excel sheet, how do we find 540 balance under 540? How do we find? We understand this one. Right, okay. Here, Sugar is paying the wrong amount. He's doing some work, but he didn't give the money, right? In that, here, let's say I have 50 rupees, 340 rupees, 540, 590, 590 printing in the right? So 540 so 540, how we can get the 540? Subtract the total and the printing. I already said we are not learning the maths, so we have to say the cell address, right? What's that? E2 minus F2, right? Very good. Right. We have learned 4 functions. What are they? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay. Shall we move to the right? This is the method we have learned, right? This is the method we are going to use in Excel, right? This is the method we are going to use in Excel, right? Right. Check your activity list. Do you have any other activities related to that? In the activity sheet 4. Right. Complete all the activities. Before that, wait. I will have another work here. Right. Shall we practice that first? Right. One of you can come and type the suitable, correct formula for that. Right. Okay, come on. Type. Enter that here. Shall we? Another. Add, yeah, you want to add. If you need more plus, you can press shift and plus. The moment, yeah. Right. Okay. Then we want to make another. Is that the correct way? No. What is the column? Is this one? B4. Then B4, right? B4. Yeah, B4. It's already, yeah. Delete that. Then B equal plus equal. Type the equal. B4. Then plus sign not delete that. Shift. Plus. Then what about C? Right, C4. Then press the enter button there. Right? Is that okay? The shading club come. That's okay. Who is going to be another one? Who is going to be? Who is going to be like you are? Right. Shall we give a chance to him after that you? Right? After that you. Right? Okay, come. Subtract. Right. We can perform the subtraction here. Type பண்ணது level சரி type பண்ணலாம். எப்படி type பண்ண போறோம் நாம subtraction question name. But others write the question for you, right? Others division and the multiplication, right? Later come. இதுக்கு எப்படி subtract பண்ண போறோம் நாம கழிக்க போறோம். How do we can do? First we have to put equal sign. Thereafter column cell address. Thereafter symbol. Thereafter another cell address, right? Okay. Equal sign, then cell address, social address. Tell me what? Below, right? Okay, good. Right. Right. Okay. Plus, you have to make shape. Right. Let's go. Delete. So, I like it. Okay. And the next one, C. Right, okay, C level. Right, C level. Right, okay, press the enter. Is that correct?
Yes.
But he has typed out something. The answer is wrong, right? You have to make subtract. Delete, wait. Right, delete, minus. Right, okay. Enter. Right, is that correct answer? Right, okay, good club. Okay, next one comes completely division for you. Others notice that if he made any mistake, you have to correct. You can correct me. Okay, division. Very good. Like this, let's see this one. Here. Right, okay. This is I will do. Wait for right, okay, good. C18 nane ಇದು B nane B nane you have to make others you didn't notice that, right? B right, can say is that correct? Right, okay. And the next one now you go you quick. Right, okay. This one. Yeah. Equal B2 4 B24. That is. You already typed something. Be careful when you keep the mouse. That's it. Super. Right, is that correct? Right, okay, good. Clap him. Right, okay, good. Go to the activity and complete the activity. Activity sheet 4. Activity sheet 4 complete panna 2 minutes time. Activity 4 you have to label this here, but in another way we can. Thereafter you have to write the equations. What is the equation? You have to write there. Right? You have to find the equation. Quick. Yes, task you have to complete task 2 and task 3 also. In next page you have another task also. Oh. You don't want to type the answers. You don't want to write the mathematical answer, right? You have to write the formulas. അത് നാം என்ன വടിവമുണ്ടത് എന്താണ് ഈക്വൽ കൂട്ടി ഇപ്പോൾ ടൈപ്പ് பண்ணுதானே அது என்ன வரணும் അവിടെ தெரியுங்க சரி நாம ரெண்டு தானே படிச்சிருக்கோம் இதுல நாலு இருக்கு என்ன in this column we have 4 அப்ப நாலே என்ன செய்யணும் we have that 4 all 4 we have that all 4 next page then get it like you want to make how to open it right have you all completed right okay can you someone tell me what we have studied up to now? When at the very first what we have studied? Huh? What we have studied? First tools that we can use to modify the letters in the Excel. The tools that we can use to modify the in that bold, italic, underline, what else? Borders. Font colors, font styles, then font size, right? All these we have studied. In next step 2 we have studied. Yes, alignment and positions we have studied. Aligning and positioning tools. That after that what we have studied? Data types, right? Data types. How do we can use the numbers, right? Right. Okay. Then finally we have studied about mathematical operations and the format of typing the equations. Equations எப்படி டைப் பண்றதுன்னு சொல்லி என்ன செஞ்சோம் இப்போ நாம செய்றோம் we are going to the at the end of the lesson now you have to complete the activity sheet 5 in the activity sheet 5 I have given an Excel sheet and the formula I have given below, right? The format of formula I have to you have to write the correct letters and the correct symbol in that space. Adha summon போட்டுருக்கேனா அது இதெல்லாம் நீங்க என்ன செய்யணும் எழுதணும் குயிக்கா எழுதுங்க complete it quickly. I will do another 3 minutes to complete that. I think I hope you 2 minutes enough, right? In next page also there is another activity. In next page also there is another activity. என்ன செய்யணும் சொல்லுங்க அப்படியே அது ஈக்குவேஷன் எழுதிங்க அது இது சரியா சார் இது செய்யுங்க Yes. You got to write only one equation, right? Right. Before that, I have forgot to check the answers for activity 4, right? I have to check. Stop the work. Please listen me, right? We will check the answers. After that, we will complete that, right? Right. Take the task 2. Task 2. What is the answer should be there in the total one? Equal sign after that CO plus not F4 E4, D4 plus E4 plus F4. That is the answer if you are right. Okay? Right. Like that in the ninth column, C9, what is the answer we should write? C4 plus C5 plus before the equation you have to put equal sign. Right. Equal sign C4 plus C5 plus C6 plus C7 plus C8 plus that all. That's all, right? Right. Like that other answers also come there. Right. Take the task 3. In the task 3, what will be the equation for D4? The D4, how do you find the purple color? E4 minus C4. Right, very good. Before the equation, what we have to equal sign. So when you say the equation, you have to say the equal also. Equal minus means equal D4 minus E4 minus C. Right, okay, good. You can continue the activity 5. Quick. Yes. You have to complete the task 2 also in the activity 4. Here in the task 2 you have to write that the data type used for order date is, what is the data type used? Order date again use short date, right? Like that you can write others also. You can write like that the data type used for region. Region is label, right? Unit region representative rep same na text data type for the all three B, C, D text data types. You have to write it here. What is the data type used? Right. Most of you have completed, I think, hope you. Right? Shall we stop? Representative. You can put like rep, right? Right. Shall we stop? Right. I'll stop here. Right? Then what we have to check here is can you say me the equations? Equations here in this column we have completed this task. In that activity 5, for the first one, what is the answer?
Equal
Equal sign
E4 minus C4.
E4 minus C4. Good, very good. The second one, for the second one. E5 minus equal E5 minus C5. Is that correct? Right, okay. You, for the third one.
Equal E6 minus
E6 minus
C6.
E6 C6 division. Yes, it is division. Division C6, right? Is that correct? Right, okay, good. For the last one, you did not write the answers, right? Let's check. So those who write the answers, can you tell me? Right.
Yes, sir.
Last one. For the last one. E8.
E8 minus C8.
E8, not minus. Is that minus? Not there. This one. I am asking this one. Last one. Activity 5.
The granddaughter.
Huh?
The granddaughter.
Yes, last one. I2 minus.
A3.
Not minus, right? Multiplication, huh? Yes, right. Good. For the first one, can you repeat me? First one? Equal C2 minus plus minus D2. Right. For the second one? D2 plus F2. Right. Okay. So for the third one? Right. Okay. Can you read the data type? The next for the A column. For the A column, data type used for date is short date. Next one. Text. Next one. Next one. Next one. Number. Decimals. Alright, then. Huh? Currency. Unit cost. It is cost, right? Currency, right? Good. Then next one, total. Also, is the decimal. Total cost means it's also currency. അതുകൊണ്ടേ വരും currency തന്നെ വരും. അതന്നെ currency തന്നെ multiply പண்றோம்னா. Right. That's why it is also currency. So that up to now we have studied learn about data types and mathematical operations, how we are going to write the equations, and the very first how to modify the styles of the letters in the Excel sheet. These all we have studied, right? Right. At the end of the class, we are always giving the post activity also. That last time also I have given. Here also I have given that I will give the post lesson activity. In the post lesson activity, you have to prepare your school timetable with colorful school timetable. And you have to prepare using Excel software. All the formatting types you have to use. You should use all formatting types that you have learned in the class, right? Right. After that, you can complete the live worksheet there that we have did in the previous task. Like pre-task, I will share to your WhatsApp. You can complete it and send me the screenshot of that. Right? If you complete the school timetable, that also you can send me via WhatsApp. Right? If you don't have any computers or other facilities, you can use the school computers. Right? If you can arrange the teacher and you can save the request the permission from the principal and you can prepare. Right? Okay. Now is the time to end the lesson. How do you give me a mark? 100 or 0 or 50? All of you agree with that 100? Right. Are you happy? Right. In the first class, in the initial stage, some of you feel less energy. Now what about you? More less energy, right? If I less Sakti Koranjiri, huh? No. You all happy? Right. Okay. Good. Shall we wind up our class? Right. Okay. Thank you very much for your cooperation. We will meet next time. If you want to practice in something, you can use now. Excuse me, madam.